Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Shaha and I'm gonna go through three questions using angle in a semicircle. So we're gonna deal with some circle problems question. Um, I don't know if you have heard of angle in a semicircle before. So pretty much what is saying the angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So no matter where C is placed on the circle, ACB is always a right angle. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to draw a circle. Okay. Yep, that's beautiful circle. So, and the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have a line, a center first of the circle, and a line or chord going from one side of the circle to the other side to the circle through the center, and this is called diameter. Okay, diameter. And now if we choose any, let's say this is A and B. If you choose any point on the circle, anyway, it could be here, it could be there, it could be here, it could be on this side, this side. So pretty much, okay, if I'm gonna pick point C here and I'm gonna connect A and C, so what are we saying? That angle ACB is right angle. Okay, so you can use this notation or you can go ACB with this head above or not. But if you don't have this head above, if you just have ACB, it means the angle at C. So we're always referring to that letter in the middle. So this one here is right angle triangle. As I said before, you can choose any point. It could be here, point D. If I connect A and D and B and D, so we're going to have right angle there as well, which means we can use Pythagoras if you do need to solve some problem. So, okay, let's have a look at the first question. So I have two questions here. So the first one is a circle has diameter AB of length 10. Okay, circle. I'm going to go with circle first. Circle. Should recognize it. And then diameter AB. So here's the center. Diameter going from one side of the circle to the other through the center. And this is A, this is B, and the length is 10. So the diameter, all of it. So it's 10. C is a point on the circle. Okay, C is somewhere. It's a different color. It's somewhere. Let's see here now, because usually books use only or often just this example here, and then sometimes kids are confused and they think that the point should be only above, in this area, not here or there or anywhere else. So I'm going to choose C here. I'm going to connect AC and CB. Now, we do know that this angle at C is right angle. And let's have a look what else is given. So AC is 8, AC is 8, so this is 8, and we need to find the length of BC, so this one here. Now, if I draw like that, okay, this is my C, this is A, this is B, right angle, AC is 8, AB is 10, so we can use Pythagoras theorem to find the length of BC. So I can again, go, which one BC? We don't know. Okay, let's label this. Let's label Y. Usually we label X. So have something different. Y. According to Pythagoras theorem, so what do we have? 10 to the power of 2, which is the longest side in the right angle triangle and is opposite right angle here. It's equal to a to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2. Now, this is 100, a to the power of 2 is 64, and plus y to the power of 2. So from here, we can move everything to the other side. So we're going to move 64 to this side, and then we're going to end up with y to the power of 2 is equal to 36. And as y is bigger than 0, we're dealing with length. We can say that y is equal 6. How did we get that? So okay, I'm just going to include that in case you don't know. So we're going to square root both sides. It's going to cancel out. And usually we have plus minus in front of the square root. But because we're talking about length, so we're just going to choose positive 1, y is equal to 6. And that would be for this question. So we can say, therefore, the length BC is equal to 6 because that's what they have asked. And then check if they have any units. Yep, centimeters. We're going to have centimeters. So this is question 1. Question 1. Let's have a look at question 2. Rectangle with side lengths 11 centimeters and 6 centimeters is inscribed in a circle. So I'm going to need circle here, like this. Okay, maybe a little bit. Yeah, has recognized it. Beautiful. And then inside, rectangular shape. And because we are talking about rectangular shape, so we do know that the corners are right angled like this. Okay, so we do know that before we even start. We have this length is 11 and this one is 6. We need to find the radius. Now, here's the center. Oopsies. So here's the center. Let's find the I need one. Yeah, this column. So if I draw diagonal in the rectangle shape, so this going from this line to this end to this end through the center, so it's pretty much is diameter as well. So, and that's gonna help us. How is it gonna help us? It's, we're talking about the rectangle has right angle corners. The diagonal of the rectangle is the diameter of the circle. So, and remember about angle in a semicircle rule. So, that one that we mentioned just before. So, let's have a look. What can we do here? I'm going to label this D as diameter. And I'm going to take, okay, undo this. I'm going to take this one out. So this is 11, this is 6, and we don't know this. That's diameter. D to the power of 2 is 6 to the power of 2 plus 11 to the power of 2. The next one is D to the power of 2 is equal to, altogether, 6 to the power of 2 is 36 plus 11 to the power of 2, 121. So this is going to give us 157. So we do need D by itself, looking just for different color. Square root of both sides, D is bigger than 0. So therefore D is equal to, let's have a look, haven't calculated before, 157. It's approximately 12.53. So this is this is the diameter. However, the question is asking to find the radius. So we do know that this diameter is equal to 2 times radius. So this part here radius, this part here is radius. So if we have 12.53 approximately is equal to 2r, so therefore divide both sides by 2, r or radius is going to be equal to 6.26 approximately. So if I divide by 2, 6.6 approximately. Yeah, that is correct. And then check the units. So check the units, centimeters. So the length of the radius of this circle is equal to 6.26 centimeters. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now. Ciao.